ordered a bunch of t-shirts from Target, which come in all different lengths, obviously all different fabrics, so the fits are all different. And I find lately that I'm liking a little bit more of sort of a cropped top look. Not cropped like bearing some skin, but like hits the pant line or the shorts line versus something that hangs really low. So I figured, let me take a scissor to some of these and see if I can maybe fix the length a little bit and the way the sleeves are fitting and make them a little bit more fashionable. So I'll start with this one, this Avengers t-shirt, which is so cute. And my son is really big into the Avengers, so right now. So I'm gonna start with this Avengers t-shirt. So first and foremost, actually the length on this one is great, but the boxy sort of like lay of this shirt from the sleeves and the top, I'm not loving. It's a little bit chunky. So what I've decided to do minimally is just cut the collar off to give it a little bit more of a less sort of t-shirt-y look. You're going to want to lay this down. So once that is done, one other little trick is to take the sides and pull it a little bit. Not too hard because I already feel like I hear a little bit of a rip going on. So this will give it this sort of like worn in, like a little bit more natural look at the collar. Okay, so I just gave that a quick try on, which I'll show you at the end. But I love the way that came out. It looks like much more of like a relaxed fit, which is great. So I tried it on because I was trying to figure out what I want to do with the sleeves. So did I want to cut them all off completely, which my husband calls my Andrew Dice Clay look? Or I'm thinking I'm going to try first actually just taking the edge off of the sleeve as well, just like we did with the collar, just again to make it a little less boxy looking and a little bit more of a relaxed fit. Rolls up and releases a little bit, which is nice, especially because I don't really put much effort into doing like a really nice straight cut. And there's that. So I'm gonna give this one another quick try on and see if it's the way I want it. Okay, so I tried it on and I do love the way the top looks, but now I'm feeling like because the top is so unfinished, I feel like I need to cut this bottom part off as well, which I'm not going to show you because obviously you get the gist. So I will show you what it looks like on final product once I take it off. So I'm in the middle of cutting this bottom seam off, and one thing I do want to add is make sure you use really sharp scissors for this, because I thought these scissors were very sharp. These are like scissors that I just use, you know, regularly like in my office for cutting little things here and there. But I thought they were a really sharp set, and I'm actually like struggling a little bit to cut through this t-shirt, and I feel like I'd also be cutting a much straighter, nicer line had these been a little more heavy duty. I feel like a pair of kitchen shears, because they are a little bit more heavy duty, would make a much nicer even cut and make the process a little bit faster. So I'm gonna grab a pair of those for the next shirt. But just wanted to point out before I forgot.